Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can send Bitcoin from Changelly to another wallet. Well, it's quite easy. All you have to do is make sure that you are logged in and simply open your Changelly application, and from here all you have to do is simply tap on buy. So you can tap on this icon right here, you'll get the option of buy, tap on it. And from here, you can now select the amount of Bitcoin or any currency that you want to buy. For example, I want this amount of Bitcoin, and from here you can also change the currency. I'm going to go with pound for now. And here you can see you will get this amount of Bitcoin. But if you want to change the cryptocurrency too, you can also tap on this arrow right here and select what kind of cryptocurrency you want. For example, I'm going to tap on BCH for now. And here you can see I will get this amount of BCH from this amount of pound. So here you can also get the option of your payment provider. If you want to change it, you can drag this arrow again and select the available payment provider. For example, Paybis. And from Paybis too, I want my Visa card. And after you have done that, you can also tap on promo code if you do. If you don't, simply tap on next. And from here, now you'll have to add down the address of your another wallet. So you'll be transferring the crypto from your Changelly to another wallet. So you're just going to copy the address of your another wallet and simply paste it down in here. Or you can scan the QR code by simply tapping on this icon right here. You can see your camera will be opened, and from here you can simply scan your QR code and your destination address will be here. And when you're done with it, you can tap on confirm, and then your payment will be successful. And like this, you'll be able to send your Bitcoin from Changelly to another wallet. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.